These solar modules and SunPump's own custom pump controller are powering a 3-phase, 460-volt, 10 horsepower submersible pump, churning out an amazing 250 gallons per minute of sparkling pure water from a depth of 75 feet. This same technology can be applied to 20 horsepower, 50, 100 horsepower, or even greater. The limits previously known in the solar pumping industry have been shattered by SunPump's technology. There are few companies in the world that possess the capability to pump this volume with solar power. The water at this test site is being used to irrigate pecan tree orchards and pastures surrounding Jim's home. Maybe the next installation should be at your site.